Do you remember this photo of New Jersey Congressman Andy Kim picking up trash on January 6th after the protesters/rioters left the rotunda? This is his most famous moment. But what if it was all just a fake? Let's take a look. This is video of the South Rotunda on January 6th, 2021. The same day the photo was taken. As you can see, the protesters/rioters are being forced out to the right side of the room. At the top of the room, you can see a door. To the left is a white statue, and to the right is a statue of Andrew Jackson wearing a dope-ass cape. And that is the statue that Andy Kim was in front of, picking up the trash. But let's take a look. Is there any trash there to pick up? The protesters were all to the right. And as you will see in a second here, there's nothing in front of the statue. As you see there. But in a second here, one of the people in the green vests comes in and he sets down a bag in front of the statue, as you can see there. Now that bag is not an area of trash with playing cards and other items that were said to be left by Mr. Kim, who said the protesters/rioters were the ones that trashed the rotunda. Now the most interesting thing about this is, as you can see, it's just a bag there. There's no trash. But if you see the ropes, they actually moved the ropes back. They moved the ropes back next to Andrew Jackson as Andrew Kim is picking up there. And on top of the ropes are pieces of trash, meaning the trash arrived on top of those ropes after the ropes were put back and after the protesters left. Meaning that the trash that Andy Kim picked up was not left by the protesters, as Mr. Kim alleges, and most likely was left by Mr. Kim himself.